How to allow multiplayer settings on Microsoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily allow multiplayer on your Microsoft account. Let's just get started. First thing first, go ahead and open up Xbox and log into your account. Click on the first link and then click on sign in at the top right. Let me quickly sign into my Xbox account using my Microsoft account from here. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon and then go ahead and click on Xbox profile. Once that is done, your Xbox profile should load up right here on your screen. And then from here, you need to go over to your profile settings. Click on it and then go to safety and privacy. Now from here, you can manage safety and privacy settings from here. Click on this. It's going to open up a new tab right here. Now you can find all of these options. Make sure all of these are allowed for friends or everyone, especially the multiplayer option. So from there, you can find this option on the other tab, Xbox and Windows 10 device online safety. And from here, you can make sure that you allow all of these stuffs. Especially you can join multiplayer games. Make sure this is allowed. Click on submit and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.